Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your GPU model and OS build so you pick the exact driver. Once done, close heavy apps and temporarily disable antivirus to avoid installer conflicts. Make sure you have at least a few gigabytes of free disk space and a stable internet connection for the download. Then download the correct Nvidia package for your card and OS. Do not guess between branches. You'll avoid mismatches and save time during the install. You run the downloaded installer with administrator privileges so it can replace system files. When the setup asks, choose Custom Install and check Perform Clean Install to remove leftover files from previous drivers. This reduces conflicts and leaves a predictable state. Follow prompts, watch for components you don't need, deselect extras like telemetry if offered, and let the installer finish. It typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. Make sure to reboot when prompted to load the new driver properly. You verify success by opening the Nvidia control panel or checking Device Manager for the driver version, and by running a simple GPU stress or game test. If you see crashes, black screens, or artifacts, reboot to safe mode and either roll back the driver in Device Manager or run Display Driver Uninstaller to remove all traces, then reinstall. Make sure you have a restore point or driver backup before major updates. It speeds recovery and prevents long troubleshooting sessions if some.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.